Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Changing ear tips improves seal and sound isolation for better listening. A proper seal enhances bass response and reduces outside noise. Measure your ear canals with trial tips to find small, medium, or large sizes. Try foam and silicone to compare comfort and isolation. Replace tips every 3 months or sooner if you see debris or wear. Regular replacement reduces infection risk and maintains acoustic performance. Keep spare sets labeled by size for quick swaps and consistent fit. Start by gripping the base of the tip and pulling straight off the nozzle. Avoid twisting aggressively to prevent nozzle damage or tearing the tip. Inspect the nozzle for earwax or debris before attaching a new tip. Align the new tip with the nozzle and push until it snaps in place securely. Gently twist the attached tip to ensure a snug mechanical fit without gaps. Perform a quick audio check and compare bass response to confirm a proper seal. Remove tips first and clean silicone tips with mild soap and water, then air dry completely. Clean foam tips by gently wiping. Avoid saturating them to preserve memory. Use a dry, soft brush or a toothpick to remove debris from the metal mesh carefully. Store clean tips in a labeled case to prevent dust and deformation. If fit remains poor, try foam tips or change to one size up or down. Replace damaged tips immediately to maintain hygiene and audio performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.